Hi guys, this is Samara and I'm trying this clean with me. I am cleaning the kitchen and this took me 2 days to do. Now that I have 3 kids, it takes me a little bit longer to clean up, especially since my youngest is almost 3 months old. A lot of times I have to stop what I'm doing and feed her or tend to the kids. And so it takes me a little bit longer to clean, but I feel like maybe someone else knows kind of what I'm going through. So, yeah, maybe you can clean along with me and get motivation from my kitchen clean. I will be cleaning the rest of the house over the next few hours or days, but it does take me a little bit longer to get my tasks done now. So, thanks. Quick question. Does anyone else ever hate cleaning cheese graters? It is really difficult to me. And if you have any tips on cleaning a cheese grater, please let me know. So I know my hair looks a little goofy right now. I actually have it braided into braids and with some moisturizers in it, and I'm just trying to keep it kind of put away during quarantine so that I don't get a lot of breakage and other things going on. Of course, I am expecting some postpartum hair loss, And so I'm just trying to keep it under some kind of wraps so that I can continue to do everything that I need to do. So, yeah, I know it looks a little crazy, but don't worry, it's not like this all of the time. As you can see, I have my little helper who is always down to help me clean. And also, right here, I could not find the dustpan. My suspicions is that my husband is using it for the garage. And so, yeah, I was kind of frustrated. So, I had to do it the old school way and use a magazine or a piece of paper to scrape everything up and put it in the garbage. And also, all of the products that I used for cleaning, like the sponges and my spray will be down in the description box below. And yeah, so thank you for watching and see you in the next one.